Good morning, students. I myself, Dr. V.V. Kadam, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. Students, today we are going to learn the chapter respiration, and today's topic is cyanide resistance respiration. Cyanide, azide, and carbon monoxide are potent inhibitors of aerobic respiration in most of the organisms, including plants. They inhibit respiration by forming complexes with cytochrome oxidase of electron transport system in mitochondria. However, it has been observed aerobic respiration continues in some bacteria, algae, fungi, animals, and some higher plants, even in presence of these inhibitors. These organisms probably have some alternate route in the electron transport system which is not inhibited by cyanide, azide, and carbon monoxide. The alternate respiratory pathway that is not inhibited by these poisons and continues even when the normal ETS is blocked is called cyanide resistance respiration. Normally, the electrons pass through a definite route involving participation of cytochromes B, C1, C, A, and A3 to reduce oxygen. Since the cyanide and azide combines with the iron in cytochrome oxidase and carbon monoxide also combines with cytochromes to form complexes. The electrons fail to pass through the normal route in electron transport system. It is therefore presumed that some alternate pathways must be existing that allow the transport of electrons to oxygen, not involving the cytochromes. The exact cyanide resistance pathway is, however, not known. It is presumed that an alternate route probably deviates preceding the cytochrome B, presumably near the ubiquinon. This side branching of electron transport then allow electrons to pass from ubiquinon to flower proteins and then from flower proteins to some unknown oxidase which transfer electrons to oxygen. Cyanide resistant respiration was discovered at the beginning of 20th century in thermogenic plants during anthesis and was later found to be a typical feature of plant respiration. It is a respiratory pathway occurring only in mitochondria of some plants, yeast and bacteria that is unaffected by cyanide. Electron transport from NADH or succinate to oxygen involves a non-heme iron proteins as the terminal oxidase. This is insensitive to cyanide. The cyanide resistant pathway complements the more usual cyanide sensitive pathway. This contains cytochrome oxidase which is inhibited by cyanide. Cyanide resistant respiration is not found in animals. The phenomenon of respiration resistant to cyanide is connected with the presence in the respiratory chain of an additional terminal oxidase, that means alternative oxidase. Plant respiratory chain branches at the level of ubiquinon from where the electrons flow through the cytochrome pathway or to alternative oxidase. More often, alternative oxidase is studied in details using transgenic plants or in vitro cell cultures. Most information of alternative oxidase genes and alternative oxidase regulation comes from experiments on Sauromantum guttatum, Arabidopsis thaliana, glycine max, Pisum sativum, and Nicotina tomacum. Alternative oxidase is an approximately 32 kDa homodimetric integral mitochondrial inner membrane proteins with a non-hem di-epicenter and two membrane spanning protein. The expressions of the alternative oxidase gene is influenced by stresses such as cold, reactive oxygen species, and infection by pathogens, as well as other factors that reduce electron flow through the cytochrome pathway of respiration. The mechanism of cyanide resistant pathway. Alternative oxidase branches from the main respiratory chain at the level of ubiquinone and catalyze the 4 electrons reduction of oxygen to water. It does not pump protons, so the transfer of electrons by alternative oxidase does not generate a transmembrane potential, and the drop in free energy between ubiquinol and oxygen is dissipated or wasted as heat. Alternative oxidase in higher plants is uncoded by the nuclear genome. The alternative oxidase first gene is most widely known for its expression by stress stimuli in many tissues and is present in both monocotyledon and eudicotyledon plant species. Students, this is the diagrammatic representation of cyanide resistant pathway. During the normal pathways of electron transfer system, the electrons and protons coming from Krebs cycles, that means the breakdown of hydrogen molecules, protons and electrons enter through the cytochrome system by NAD is reduced into NADH2, FAD is reduced into FADH2, then coenzyme Q, cytochrome C, B1, C1, A3, and finally during A3 the molecular oxygen combines with the protons to form water molecules. But in cyanide resistant pathways, the electrons moves towards the cytochrome, moves from the NAD to FADH2 and coenzyme Q. It is unable to transport towards the cytochrome system, and here some protons and electrons combine with these oxygen molecules to form water, and this is known as cyanide resistance pathway. The cyanide resistant respiration shows the following characteristics. The cyanide resistant oxidase has a much lower affinity for oxygen than does cytochrome oxidase. Cyanide resistant electron transport mainly leads to the production of heat rather than ATP. Normally, the alternate pathway does not operate unless cytochrome oxidase is poisoned by cyanide, azide, and carbon monoxide. It also operates when glycolysis and Krebs cycle occurs unusually rapidly to accommodate all the electrons. Some workers believe that instead of H2O, hydrogen peroxide is produced in these alternative pathways. Cyanide resistant respiration provides a means for oxidation of NADH and generate Krebs cycles intermediates required as precursors for cellular components. Thank you.